420. Don't go near that crimson sign. They say folks vanish in the night at the truck stop on Route 39. Blacktop crack like an old man's grin. One flickering light and the shadows begin. Sign reads open but the place don't breathe. And the welcome mat says no one leaves. The waitress floats, pale as frost. Her name tag's rusted, her smile's lost. The menu stained with names, not meals. And the cook just grunts like he's chewing steel. Hey, at the truck stop on Route 39, where the sun don't rise and the red eyes shine. Blood on the floor, bones in the ground. You pull in slow, but you don't turn round. The truck stop on Route 39, where the dead still clocking right on time. Out back the rig sit dead and dry. Keys in the dash and no goodbye. They say the fuel is thick and black, and once you pump it, you ain't coming back. Mirror shows a face that ain't your own. Reflections whisper in a haunted tone. Driver beware, don't cross that line. This road ends at Route 39. Hey, at the truck stop on Route 39, where the moon turns red and the souls align. Necks get snapped with a silent hiss, and the vamps don't bite, they kiss with fists. The truck stop on Route 39. You walk in warm, you leave in brine. Then one by one they park and fade. Dust on windshields, graves unmade. Strip club tokens and broken teeth, left behind like a memory thief. Some say it's cursed, some say it's fate. Some just say they were running late, but the ones who stop don't ever drive from the truck stop on Route 39. Pay at the truck stop on Route 39, where the blood runs cold and the clocks don't chime.